Hi, welcome to the ninth assignment. Today we will figure out together what your ideal birth looks like. You may be asking why, Eva? Things never go according to the plan. True, but I still want us to look at your perfect scenario. And I want you to go deep into your imagination. Don't go into what would ideal birth be in the circumstances that I am living in right now. Go beyond that. For example, if you don't have a partner and your heart wants a partner to be with you, in this imaginative exercise, you can write that out. My partner would be there, would support me. Even if you know that in circumstances that you are in right now, this is not possible. So you can see where I'm going with it. Because of me, you can give birth on Mars. Don't limit yourself with the circumstances you are in right now. Why I find this important? Because this is how we will figure out together what your desires, what your wishes are. What do I want? What do I need? Yes, maybe all the needs won't be satisfied because it's just impossible right now, but nevertheless, I want us to work them together. So let's start. Close your eyes and visualize the best possible birth scenario. Be brave. Your imagination has no limit. When you are ready, open your eyes and start writing. You can begin with the sentence, "My ideal birth is." Once you finish, read through what you wrote and find your needs and your desires. Mark them, write them down. When you finish, we will go to the second part of this assignment. And this is your birth plan. So now that you are more clear on your desires, your needs, now we will go to birth plan. I am not sure if they do this in every country, but here in Germany, 2 months before you give birth, you go to the hospital and you talk to the nurse about your birth plan. What you want, what you wish, what you don't want, what is ideal, what is not ideal. So I prepared the same plan for you. You can download it or write it out. Take your time, take a few days, really think through what do you want, what you don't want, and then you can give it to your nurse or bring it to the hospital in case you don't have the same practice as we do in Germany. Once you finish, again, this is becoming our routine, body scan, naming the emotion, and breathing exercise. And we see each other in the 10th assignment.